Hello everyone. Welcome back. Are you having trouble with PuTTY? Specifically, are you seeing the dreaded network error, software caused connection abort message? It's a frustrating issue. But don't worry. We're going to walk through some common causes and solutions today. Let's get started. First, we'll look at network connectivity issues. A basic thing to check is your internet connection. Is your Wi-Fi working? Can you browse the web? Sometimes a simple reboot of your router or modem can fix temporary network glitches. Next, verify your firewall settings. Your firewall might be blocking PuTTY's connection. Check both your Windows firewall or your operating system's firewall and any third-party firewalls you have installed. Make sure PuTTY is allowed to communicate through the firewall. Add PuTTY as an exception if necessary. After that, check the server's status. Is the server you're trying to connect to actually online? Can you ping the server's IP address? If you can't ping it, the server might be down. Contact the server administrator to confirm its status. Now, let's talk about PuTTY configurations. Incorrect PuTTY settings can also cause this error. Double-check the hostname or IP address you're using to connect. Make sure it's correct. Also, verify the port number. SSH typically uses port 22. If you're using a different port, make sure it's the correct one for your server. Another important PuTTY setting is the keepalive interval. Sometimes the server will terminate the connection if it thinks you're idle. To prevent this, set the seconds between keepalive's option in PuTTY's connection settings to a value like 60. This will send a null packet every minute to keep the connection alive. You should also consider checking your SSH client configuration. Outdated SSH client configurations could cause this error. Upgrading PuTTY to the latest version might resolve compatibility issues. Also, try different SSH protocols in the PuTTY settings. Sometimes, switching between SSH1, SSH2, or auto can help. Hardware problems can also cause this error. Sometimes a faulty network cable or a failing network card can cause connection problems. Try using a different network cable. If possible, try connecting from a different computer on the same network. This can help you isolate the problem. If you are using wireless, switch to a wired connection to see if that resolves the issue. Finally, operating system glitches sometimes interfere with network connections. Try restarting your computer. This can resolve temporary software conflicts and clear out any stuck processes that might be interfering with PuTTY. We've covered a lot of ground today. Remember to check your internet connection, firewall settings, server status, PuTTY configurations, SSH settings, hardware, and operating system. If you've tried all these steps and you're still having trouble, you may need to consult with a network administrator or the server administrator for further assistance. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to support the channel. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. We appreciate your support.